Mina ekhaya ngatshela ukuthi ngiyidemoni mangibatshela ukuthi I'm gay. In fact, angizange ngibatshele nokuthi ngigay. Ubaba wangena endlini mina nomngani wami who they thought was my friend at the time. Siqabulana. Sanibonani ke ubongwelo indlovukazi ngiza nendaba wona ozana nini endlebe nasi story sikamngani wethu umngani wethu kuphi usemelika. So ngixoxelwa ulo muntu lo ayethandane naye that had all this information. Umngane wethu kuyangena la uthi ngicela ukuxoxela ngerelationship ngomyeni wami engangishade naye. So umyeni wami uthi enene ngahlangana naye esontweni uthi sabantu nje besonta kakhulu and we believe so much esontweni and I met him kubo ubaba wakhe noma wakhe baba abantu ababalekile kakhulu esontweni then they had this son and wonke umuntu uthi bekamuhle uGuy ethandwa wonke umuntu esontweni wonke amantombazane emfuna but uGuy nje was not a person onaka amantombazane kakhulu. He was very busy esontweni ku music ku choir ebusy nje enza zonke izinto nje ongazicabanga nje that was related to church. Makufuneka into ezokwenzeka esontweni noma iasha or anything nje umfundisi webiza yena nabazali bakhe because they were like close friends with umfundisi webandla. Okay, uthi then like you know every girl uthi bebemfunda esontweni but uGuy nje engasinakile. Uthi until one day uGuy wangicela ukuthi enene ucela ngimsize ukuthi later sikwazi ukuthi si raise sichoir. He would also want me to be in the choir because uzwile ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukucula kahle. Uthi ugirl ngingamnaki like I'm like okay I guess ngihambe nami ngiyosiza ke choirini. Uthi I ended up joining a choir like that. With my intentions were not to sing a choir nesonto, but my intentions was to just be ngiyosontela nje. But because wezwa lapho ukuthi ngiyacula, then I ended up joining the choir. We ended up being friends with the guy. uGuy then later wangicela ukuthi ngi out naye. Athi bangani nami ngavuma guys because uGuy muhle uGuy. Ngavuma nami ngathi okay kulungile singahamba. Then we went out to nami ngu church girl. I was dressed very nice nje naye uGuy egqoke kahle wegqoka ishirt elikhiphele ngaphandle with pants but clean, smells fresh. Ushefile nje muhle uGuy. Uthi uGuy wakhona nje is light skin in complexion nje kodwa umuntu omnyama. So uthi ke sahamba, we went out on a date. Uthi uGuy was like a friend. He uthi uGuy bekane inhliziyo warm, like very warm, a warm person nje. Uthi we clicked, like we would talk and we find humor in so many things. Ama jokes too, like we would kick nje. Uthi besabangani nje and sixoxa nje. Hey, uthi zwana, like uthi there was so much connection nje in terms of a friendship, but mina leyo connection leyo I thought it was more than a friendship because like get along kakhulu no Guy. And I'm not joking too, even things like or the movies that we've watched and all of these things uthi nje like besikanje samathe nolimi. Uthi ugel okay kudlula isikhathi, like they still from time to time every after church bayahamba baye out, or sometimes mabafika to the restaurant there'll be a friend of his ozofika naye afike lo mngani wabo uGuy is a guy. Uthi uGuy wakhona was a pharmacist. Uthi bahlale nomngani sometimes nje uthi amtshela ukuthi and then I do want to introduce you to my friend. That's why I brought him today so that uzokwazi abangani bami know my circle and know who I am. Uthe nje kuqiqi akuphelanga ngisho 3 months uGuy useya propose phambi kwebandla esontweni. Uthi bonke I was so shocked. uGuy proposed mina, but girl, I'm not gonna lie to you, I was so happy because uGuy bengimazi ukuthi ufuna wonke umuntu esontweni. So mase propose kumina nami ngizoba umuntu othile esontweni bazozwa ngami, nami sengizoba close to umama umfundisi uthi umngane wethu. I was so happy. Uthi ngase ngiyibona nje ngiqala amaculo esontweni ngithi you are my shepherd, you are my God, because I know ukuthi mangisondela you know uthi nje wayesezibona nje esepulpit nje worshipa nje because like waqala wafonela umngani wakhe because umngani wakhe behlala kwesinye estate, wamfonela wamtshela ukuthi and then girl I am engaged also and so kanje and the family knew they were there abazali bentombazane Guy apparently who prepared this engagement behind Ugeli's back and invited abazali to the church, and abazali they came baqasha Ugeli wangababona until kwazi kwaba isikhathi la ethi will you marry me, and the parents they showed up. Uthi ke okay because ke ungiproposele esontweni. Uthi umshado wethu was indumezulu and wawenzeka kulona lelo sonto lelo, it was just well publicized, and nje umshado wethu waba indumezulu wawuthi kwakumshado omuhle kabi. Uthi like we look so good, my husband uthi bemuhle kanjani umyeni wami, like nje he's such a good man and he's gorgeous, his skin is skinning and okay nje unogazi nje uyathandeka. Uthi you know kuyo yonke imithandazo engangijwayele ukuyenza uNkulunkulu ngangisho ngithi uNkulunkulu akangiphe umyeni olungile oqotho onothando omuhle, because I never wanted my kids to kuba nengane ezimbi. Kanti uthi ngifuna ukuba nengane ezimbi. Uthi nje ngangifuna ukuthi ngibe ne-perfect family. So we created that. Uga usebenza kahle, and majority of the time he's at church. Isonto sasingalimisi nje noma ngathiwani unless uyagula, we were always at church. And sasasiwa after umshado wethu, which was nje umshado wawuyindumezulu esontweni, and everybody was there, people basipha ama-gift. Uthi bongiwa angiswelanga appliance because they created ilink where they can buy me gift. Ibandla langithengela ama-gift, langithengela zonke izinto, ngisho ifurniture yendlu. Uthi all we had to do was to move into our house that the guy ubaba womfana bought for us. Okay, and then they use ilokhuzana ke igift leyo ababethengelwe yona ibandla, they use it endlini and with items ebethengelwe ibandla. Uthi kwaqhubeka bongiwe kwaqhubeka. Uthi now we were struggling, mina nomuntu wami, ukuthi sithole abantwana, like it was really hard. Uthi ezesikhathi sihambe iyona into eyayinzima kakhulu ukuthi sithole abantwana, kwakunzima nje, you know, kunzima nje. Uthi sizame, or sometimes ngibe pregnant and miscarry. Uthi I was so stressed, like ukuthi, and then I can't give umkhwenyana wami ingane, and you know uyazi ukuthi esontweni the minute usushadile they are waiting for you ukuthi ube nomntwana, they you know impilo nje ihamba kanjalo. But uthi we tried literally unyaka waphela asemthola umntwana, but we still happy as a couple, siyathandaza together, uyathandaza. My husband believed in prayer. The only time where he would leave the house makahamba yobona umngani wakhe, if not then siyaqhubeka siyathandaza, you know. And uthi ke okay, then one day sihambe siye kubo, uthi kwa Thanksgiving sifike kubo, angitshele ukuthi hayi yazi umuntu umngani wami akanaye ifamily azokwazi ukuthi aye kuyona because ifamily yakhe good. Athi uGeli enene why ungam-invite ukuthi aze nathi kubazali bakho ukuze sikwazi ukuthi sidle Thanksgiving sonke. Uthi uGaya athi hayi ngeke akwazi ukuthi aye kubazali bakhe, ukuthi umvele umbone nje ukuthi hayi akafuni nje umngani wakhe aye kubazali bakhe. Uthi uGeli ngimbuza ukuthi hawu yindaba, athi hayi no, abazali bami bamthanda umngani wami because waye umuntu wayehlupha esemncane and then warepenta ke, now he's a good man. Uthi I took it enhlizweni ukuthi oh kodwa ke kulungile, it's fine. Wasethi ke uzokwenza Thanksgiving ekhaya, then later ahamba yobona umngani wakhe. Nangempela wayehamba ubona umngane wakhe ngasala nabazali bakhe. It was nice, we were playing games and nje mostly everything was related to into yesonto, into esasiyenza nje ekhaya. Uthi ke waqhubeka umngani wethu, uthi siphila kamnandi. Uthi one thing that I can tell you Bongiwe that was beautiful ukuthi umndeni walo wamfana wawungithanda ngokweqiniso, ungithanda wholeheartedly. Uthi ubungithanda lokho ukuthi ubungitreatisa okweqanda. Uthi uma wakhona didn't want me to do anything. Baba khona every time when I cough wevela abuza umakoti right ufuna ukuya esibhedlela, are you okay? And they were so involved in me getting pregnant. Babefuna ukuthi nje ngibe nomntwana as soon as possible. Uthi mina I thought there was a healthy relationship, angibonanga anything wrong with that until ngize ngazi story. Uthi kumngani wethu ke umkhwenyana wakhe ahambe ke ayobona umngani wakhe asalena nabazali bakhe and life was good. Uthi abuye later then they stay overnight and then ngakusasa basuke ke bahambe baphindele endlini yabo. Uthi still trying ukuthola umntwana. Life is popping. Umkhwenyana uyasebenza, I'm doing great, and uGuy even suggested that I should be a stay-at-home wife because financially abaleki kubo and naye akaleki ngemali. Okay, so uTugeli, I stayed home. Uthi before ahlale ekhaya, they planned ukuthi okay, let her work until azaqeda unyaka and then bese eyahlala ekhaya because they were trying to be pregnant. So kumele uthi uGuy usuggest ukuthi yena uGeli akahlala ekhaya. Wasethi uGeli, okay, no, I'm gonna do that. Yeah, it's a good idea, especially because bazama ukuthola umntwana, but let her finish umsebenzi wakhe. Nangampela uGeli afinishe umsebenzi wakhe, and then at the end of the year she resigned. Immediately maka resign uGeli, after a month sihlala isisu. Hayi abese beyatesta uGeli ngoba uGeli uhlale yini etesta all the time. Bese test uGeli makufika uGuy uyamtshela ukuthi, and then oh my god, we are pregnant. Athi uGuy, like uGuy didn't sound thrilled, like azange abe excited ukuthi oh my god, yeah, sambonga uNkulunkulu, we've been waiting. Uthi he was shocked. He went like, what? And then later he was like, oh my god, how many months are we? Uti, like, I didn't pay attention to that, but I was like, it's okay. Because men behave differently. Mama meet. So sometimes bayashokeka and sometimes bayajabula. But for umuntu that's wabili ebesifuna ingane kanzima kangaka, uthi ngishokile le ukuthi, and then oh my God, like ukujabula kwakhe was just not make sure. Okay ke uthi ke kulungile ke then nasho ukuthi uGeli una 2 months, uGuy ke eyaqale ka wome up into the baby and what not. Kuyabe uGuy nje impilo nje isaqhubeka, uGeli shaye usena 3 months, isikhathi yahamba, uGuy umphathela izinto zokudla. Uthi uGeli ngangithandiswa like literally healthy food, so uGuy would bring me smoothies from work. Makabuye emsebenzini angiphathela ama smoothie ngama weekends, uyangenzela ama smoothie. And ithe sengina 3 months, then we called the parents bami nabakhe, and we took them out on a date, and then sahlala nabo and sabatshela bonke. Parents, both of them, both sides were very happy ukuthi bazoba nomzukulu. Uthi my mom was so excited, she even wanted to come and stay with me so that she can take care of me. Both nomama uLokozana uMakaGuy uthi naye also wanted to come and stay with me so that they can take care of me. They even suggested that I move ngiyohlala nabazali bamfana so that umama ezonginakekela ukuze ingane ize izalwe. It's okay. Ezisikhathi sihamba uthi I'm not feeling good, like I'm having morning sicknesses, like I had severe morning sicknesses, like the worst kind. So but uGuy ulokhu ebuya ke ngenzela ama smoothie nangama weekends, uGuy busy ungenzela ama smoothie. Sihamba isikhathi uGuy ulokhu ngenzela ama smoothie nje, uyanginakekela nje, whatever that I want uyanginakekela. Sihamba isikhathi, I start having cramps. Ama cramps, they are very strong, and ama cramps, they are strong. Fonela uGuy usemsebenzini, uGuy athi enene fonela iambulance. I don't think I'm going to be there on time because usebenza a bit far. Nangampela uGeli fonela iambulance, ifike iambulance izomlanda. Abazali, they came as well, beza bazombona esibhedlela. uGeli makafika esibhedlela uyaqala uyableeda, ingane iphume. Siphume siso. Akhala uGeli and khala uGeli benza ama test bathola ukuthi, and then uGeli kukhona amaphilisi awadlayo that have ama chemicals afana nama chemicals amaphilisi eabortion. Uthi uGeli bambuza udokotela, is there anything that you're taking? Abesethi uGeli, no, I was taking ama supplements ukuthi umntwana, like ama lokhuzana, ama supplements engane ukuthi ingane ikhule, like vitamins. Udokotela wambuza wathi maphi ma vitamins washo uGeli ukuthi I'm taking these vitamins. Wathi but lana emzimbeni wakho it looks like there's something oyithathile that could have caused umntwana ukuthi miscarry. uGeli, there's nothing that I did. Enjalo. Okay. Odokotela babe shocked, like naye abe shocked because siyazi ukuthi bayifuna ingane, but odokotela they spoke to her privately while abazali bebengakafiki. Uthi bafika abazali asho ukuthi ke ingane iphumile ukuthi everybody was crying uthi uma umfana was so disappointed my mom was so heartbroken uthi kwakubhlungu nje isibhedlela sonke sasigowa uthi kwayimina ngangigowa to a point whereby when I exited isibhedlela I went home and umfana was also there like trying to support me but nje he was just not there ubhlungu ebengikuzwa mina njengomuntu osanda oluza ingane umiscarrile uthi the guy it was like uyangisupporta but pain was not as intense as mine uthi okay fine but he's still loving sathandaza nalo muntu like we are doing great nje ebusuku like uyanginakekela but kodwa nje he's not showing ubhlungu like I am feeling the pain. He keeps on saying, I was hoping to simthole omunye umntwana and whatnot, ungakhathazeki and all of that. That made ugela ukuthi abe depression to a point whereby she went to a psychiatric esibhedlela and she was in a depressing ward labantu abadepressed wahlala for weeks esibhedlela while trying to deal with the fact that uzama ukuthola umntwana because umntwana ubemfuna and also she just had a miscarriage and then they gave her amaphilisi esibhedlela to go ayowadla ekhaya because isikhathi as time went by wahamba ke waye ekhaya uthi uhusband wakhe welokho efike ezombheka but it wasn't as often as it should have been uthi most of the time bekamtshela ukuthi ya emsebenzini yazi nawe ngisebenza kude it's so far la ukhona and I'm going to ask my mom uthi people that were very like there be present uthi bekuma wakhe kanye no maka guy uthi ke bembona until kwasasha usuku lokuphuma esibhedlela mangiphuma esibhedlela my mom was there supporting and taking care of me uma wahlala nathi nje uguy was also there but nje he wasn't feeling still bekanga grieve guy bekasa right nje uthi ngiphuma esibhedlela ngiphuma so they gave me ama antidepressant and I'm taking them and they just numbing my pain so now like I feel like ukuthi nje ngumuntu nje okhona kodwa nje angikho they were numbing my pain and uguy mangimtshela ukuthi and then we should maybe try ukuthi siphinde sibizama umntwana futhi uguy was like no I don't think we should try right now because we're still grieving umntwana and maybe we should just wait unyaka wathi Kelly I don't think I have the strength to wait that long like I really want umntwana uguy athi no I don't think we should try uthi okay until uguy azabe convinced avuma ukuthi they should try again uguy avume and then all of a sudden uguy a pull it back like a pull it back life yakhe completely nje a pull it back uguy kwangathi manje naye uba depressed kwangathi manje uyena ogowa more than ugeli uthi ago uguy uthi like uguy now he started coming back home ephuza uthi lo muntu lo akaphuza inhlobo ngokwazi kwakho ugeli uthi but he came home drunk now seyaphuza uguy uthi ngelinye ilanga aphuze uguy abuye entambama emsebenzini makabuya akhala ahlale kuvrandi wabo and started crying uthi ugeli aphume endlini like naye uyazigowela vele because they lost a child uyafica uguy wakhe udakiwe uthi first ngishoke ukuthi uguy udakiwe and also he's crying and I don't understand why he's crying uguy uthi uguy bese ngiyamthatha ngimngenise endlini sihlale phansi athi ugeli athi uguy I have something engifuna ukuyikhuluma nawe athi ugeli like yindaba uthi he was so serious uthi ngimtshela ukuthi uyangithusa like why and first and foremost why iphuzile because awuyena umuntu othanda utshwala athi uguy ngiyaxolisa there's a lot in my mind and I had to just ngiphuze something that will cause me ukuthi ngifile kangconywana uthi but utshwala is not a solution athi uguy I know athi okay I need to let's sit down and talk uthi nangempela mthatha abahlale phansi because uguy hamba uyadiyazela like is not make sure bahlale phansi and they started talking uguy was venting about impilo yakhe okay ke uthi bahlale phansi ke baxoxe uguy uthi he started crying wakhala umfana uthi wakhala umfana uthi like I gave him water ngasukuma ngama ngumthathela amanzi ngamphuzisa amanzi ukuthi like kuze mhlambe kusuka utshwala because I'm thinking mhlambe ukhaliswa ingane or ukhaliswa yini or because is drunk, I don't know uthi ngamphuzisa amanzi umfana wangathi ingqondo iyaphaphama kancane uthi umfana wakhala kodwa still waqhubeka. Ngilazi ke lelishi lekhophe lenzani but ke kulungile ngeke nginake ngathi lifuna ukuphuma elibona. Okay, uthi ke waqhubeka wakhala but ke until was wakama down la ugele useyambuza ukuthi like what is going on, like what is happening. Uthi abese ethi guy, you know, there's something that I want to talk to you about. Uthi I'm not a straight man. Athi I'm not a straight man, I'm gay. Okay, let's show cake. Like okay, wakhe has never shown sign of being gay. Uthi I'm gay and I've always been gay and I've known this all my life. Uthi uma no baba, I had a friend of mine a long time ago, la where I was sengi teenager sengikhulile sengiqala to experiment with my sexuality, but abazali bami benginomngane bejwayele ukufika ekhaya azongivakashela and bandizona bami bengasinake until one day ubaba walked in on me no mngane wami siqabulana. Uthi when he walked in ubaba waxosha umngane wami immediately. He was not pleased with the act. Waxosha umngane wami immediately wathi angaphinda libekela ekhaya uyidemoni usathane uzomosha ingane yakhe uzocorrupt ingane yakhe. Uthi the minute maseqeda lapho ubaba uthi wasiqede wangithatha wangisa esibhedlela like kubantu abahlanyayo like abangekho right ukuthi I'm possessed, there's some energy ezikmina. Uthi makangisa lapho uthi I stayed in the psychiatric hospital. Uthi that's why when you were esibhedlela bengafuni ukuzobheka because like be-triggerisha i-memory mina that was so painful in my soul. Uthi ngahlala lapho uthi they made me stay there for a month and then bangikhipha emva kwalokho mase bengikhiphile emva kwalokho ngasuka lapho ubaba wakhuluma nami wangitshela ukuthi ngishintshile yini, uthi ngaqamba amanga ngathi ngishintshile until ubaba ahlangane nami ngihamba nomngane wami futhi umngane wami was not allowed to ukuthi azongivakashela ekhaya anymore, was not allowed to be seen around me. Ubaba makangibona nomngane wami emgaqweni then ubaba wa decide ukuthi angithathe and send me straight to Africa. Uthi I went to Africa, to a place engakaze ngize ngibe yona. Both my parents don't come from Africa. Uthi bafika lapha bangisa into some community la where people baya lukhuza. It's a camp for kids ezingekho nje ezingekho right ezenza izinto nje ezisnacks kubazali. Uthi when they took me to that camp I was like okay. Ahlala laphana uthi you know I'm not used to this lifestyle angijwayele yonke lempilo lena. It was the hardest thing I've ever experienced in my life. Uthi kwakunzima but ngazama ukuthi ngihlale. Uthi they made me go to school lapho bangenza ngafunda khona waphela unyaka waphela wesibili, or they didn't come and see me, all they did was to send money and nje ngingane I'm in that camp and ngiyafunda kunesikole and I walk to school and I'm not used to this lifestyle. Uthi it was the most hardest thing I've ever experienced. Uthi 2 years later they brought me back to the States. Mabangibuyisela back eAmerica bayangitshela ukuthi I hope ngi-right manje sengifundile ukuthi lento engiyenzayo ayikho right, ibandla lizothini and what not. Uthi also nasesontweni I was a person nje wehlala ethandazelo, but my father didn't tell them ukuthi why they were praying for me. Wehlala nje ngibize makuthandazela umuntu nama ngibiza athi my son woza ngizothandazelwa then ngithandazele. Uthi and he made sure ukuthi uyangitshela ukuthi lento engiyenza isono and yimbi emehlweni kaNkulunkulu ngizwe esihogweni. It was the lecture that I used to get every day ekhaya when I come back from school until I went to varsity. When I went to varsity then I rekindled the friendship with umngane wami. We satholana futhi again on Facebook and we talked and we went back to dating. Uthi we went back to dating. Uthi ngaleso sikhathi I was hiding all of that from my parents. I was hiding all of that from my parents up until when you came vele mina nginomuntu wami empilweni yami. So I was dating a guy, but when you were a tool that I used ukuthi ngicashe kubazali bami ukuthi enene I'm gay. So I wanted my parents to accept me because they didn't want to accept the fact that I was gay. Bebengithatha njengomuntu ogulayo or ongenwa amadimoni or ohlanyayo. Uthi so me marrying you was proving to my parents ukuthi wena ukuthi sengishintshile and vele nami bengenwa amadimoni, you know, and accepting zonke lezi zinto ababezisho. Uthi then yeah, so then ngathandana nawe. Uthi but still njoba bengikwazi ukuhamba ngiphume ngiyobona umngane nami bengihamba ngiyobona umngane nami, that's the person that I'm dating, that's the love of my life that I dated a long time ago. Then ngase ngishada nawe because ngangena choice, ngangizama ukufihla because kwasesontweni, you know how it is when how taboo it is ukuthi umuntu wesilisa abe kuthiwa okay. Uthi ugele ngashokheka, uthi ngishokwe lezi story ngashokheka guy izinto angitshela zona, like I kept on gagging like, but also makakhuluma I could see it. Uthi yazi I could see it, like ukuthi I could see it because there were things that were missing from him that I couldn't tap into them, and now I can see ukuthi nayi lento ebe short again. Uthi the shocking part is that he's never shown me iside yakhe yokuthi gay with umngane wakhe nomngane wakhe would sit together. There was no jealousy, there was no ill treatment from umngane wakhe engikhombisa ukuthi indoda yakhe like uthi nje we were fine. Uthi the only thing la when he started telling me about umntwana ingane yethu leshonile. Uthi so now this story ngixolela sona is leading to what I'm about to confess, which is even more. When you were pregnant, I was really worried. I was going back and forth in my head ukuthi and then ingane izoba gay nabazali bami bazonga accept, and the torture and the torment that abazali bami they've tortured me. Uthi as soon as you find out ukuthi and then pregnant umntwana umfana, uthi la ngarealize khona ukuthi if umntanami ephuma egay, I'm gonna have issues with my family because I'm gonna have to protect my child, and abazali bami wena ubazi ukuthi babantu abanjani mina ngiyabazi. So that's why I took it upon me. I asked umngane wami ngokusebenza epharmacy to give me amaphilisi eabortion, and I crushed them and I put them in your smoothie. And he started crying. Uthi wakhala umfana, uthi ngakhala nami, ngakhala ngikhalile, uthi ngakhala ngikhalela ukuthi ubulala ingane yami, and ngikhalela ukuthi he's been living a lie, and I'm also crying that this man has been traumatized, like wahlukunyezwa. Uthi my parents uqhubeka umfana uthi abazali bakhe bebengamind ukumshaya, like nje to and tell him ukuthi unamadimoni, he needs to get rid of amadimoni. Uthi now nginenkinga ukuthi angazi ukuthi ngimdabukele noma ngizizwele mina ubuhlungu ukuthi lo muntu ubulala ingane yami. Uthi I just didn't know what to do with him. I looked at him and I went back upstairs quickly ngaphinde ngaphuza amaphilisi ame depression. Uthi ngangazi ukuthi ngizothini. Uthi we sat there and he kept on going down on his knees on me and apologizing and saying he's sorry. He's sorry. He's sorry. He's sorry. He's uthi like waxolisa ngeze ukuthi yazi, like this is sad, and it's sad for him, it's sad for me, for even the fact that he took abortion pills wanginika wona ngobenzela ukuthi umntwana wakhe angadlule ebuhlungini, because he didn't do it because he didn't want umntwana, but he was just scared ukuthi umntwana uzohlukunyezwa abazali bakhe the same way. Uthi I just saw a child who was in fear. Uthi my husband was so fearful of his parents. Uthi he cried. Uthi sakhala. Uthi so that day we went to sleep. He went to sleep dining room namgalale kamereni, and we didn't say much to each other up until ngakusasa, and I called him and I was like, we need to talk. And I told him that I was sorry for everything that he experienced in life and I apologize for that. And he didn't have to ukuthabula lingane kodwa. Uthi now I'm ingqondo yami angazi ngihambe ngiyombophisa or ngimiyeke, or uthi ngagcina ngazange ngimbophise, I just let him be. ngamtshela ukuthi enene kufuneka sihlukane. Uthi wakhala kakhulu wathi if singahlukana it will assure abazali bakhe ukuthi ugay, and wathi ayikho into azoyenza but kumele bahlukane because she can't live a lie. Akakwazi ukuhlala naye. Yo, lembuzane akakwazi ukuhlala naye ephila impilo yamanga, and also naye he's stopping impilo kasisi. Uthi stop impilo yami. Uthi then he confessed ukuthi the friend lo or pharmacist who gave him abortion pills is the guy that he's been dating. So usisi was like a side chick in a sense, even though weshadile uyena uguy lo wafika kuqala kunaye. Uthi I tried and understood where he was coming from, and I told him, good, you know, I think you should just tell your parents the truth. They need to accept you for who you are. And mina nawe, we're gonna have to figure out what we do from here on. Uti, as isikhathi went by, they got divorced. And Uti took long for them to get divorced, and the girl was not pregnant again. Uti they got divorced and move away and went back to la kuhlala khona abazali bakhe. Uthi abazali bakhe wafika wabatshela iqiniso, but akazi ukuthi umfana wathini kubazali bakhe after they got a divorce. Uthi after that umfana niyalibona kodwa lolu couple lingxakile. Uthi after that umfana left, washiya kubo, washiya abazali bakhe. Uthi he just went and wafuna umsebenzi wamuvela e-Europe, and he stayed in Europe. Uthi later ngezwa kuthiwa no guy lo we-pharmacist naye akasekho, he moved to Europe. Uthi I think right now they are dating, they're in a relationship in Europe, but we haven't talked, we haven't like akazazange updating impilo yakhe. Uthi nama have moved on, sengishadile futhi again esontweni, and life is like that. Yaqhubeka kanjalo impilo. Uthi but lo abhuti wangizwisa ubuhlungu obukhulu, but also ubuhlungu bakhe ngangibu-understanda because no child deserve izinto ezazenzeka again ezazenziwa abazali bakhe. Ubongiwe lo Ndlovukazi. Ungayeki ukusubscribe on my YouTube channel, and also follow me on Facebook, Ubongiwe lo Ndlovukazi, and follow me on Instagram. I have Instagram, guys. I have 10,000 followers. Ngicela ngifolloweni ku Instagram. Ngicela nifike ningene nje. Ngifuna hey, ngicela ngifolloweni ku Instagram, Ubongiwe Ndlovukazi. Now TikTok, do the same thing. I will still come back. Mina mamkopozo nodumo ngizobuya nezinye itori ziningi nje ngiyavutha la ekhanda itori zenu. Bye.